Hello everyone, today is the day 31 of 100 days of code, and today in this video we'll be discussing a question which is asked in many companies during their interview rounds. So the question is that there are a few trains, okay, which are coming and leaving at particular times, okay. So these are the timings which are given. 900 means 9 o'clock, okay, it is 0900 actually. So it is 9 o'clock and it's leaving at 9:10, okay. Second train is coming at 9:40 and leaving at 12 o'clock. Third train at 9:50 leaving at 11:20, and the fourth train which is coming at 11 and leaving at 11:30. This is coming at 3 o'clock, leaving at 7 o'clock, and this train is coming at 6 o'clock and leaving at 8 o'clock, okay. So this is the time which is given to us, okay. What we have to find out is, um, suppose that this train came and left at 9:10, okay. So there was one platform in which the train came, okay. So it came at 9 o'clock and left at 9:10. So there was no issue for this train to come in the same platform, right? Because this train has already left, the platform is empty, okay. So this train came at 9:40, but this train is leaving at 12 o'clock, right? So from 9:40 to 12 o'clock, that train will be staying in that platform, right? Till this much time, what is the difference between this time? From 9:40 to 12 o'clock, that platform will be occupied. So if any other train comes in between these times, it should occupy a new platform, right? This train is coming at 9:50. So when this train comes, this is already occupied the platform 1, right? So this train should be kept in platform 2. So second platform should be built, okay. And this train will leave at 11:20, but before that a third train comes. So we need third platform. This will leave at 11:30, right? And the next train is at 3 o'clock, right? Till 3 o'clock all the platform will become empty, so we need not have a new platform. We can accommodate the train in the first platform itself. But before this train leaves, another train comes here at 6 o'clock, right? This train is leaving at 7 o'clock, the another train is coming at 6 o'clock, right? So we need a second platform. So already three platforms are there. The second platform will be occupied by this train, and then it will leave at 8 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, it will leave at 8 o'clock. So in the overall process, what we saw is we needed three trains. I mean, we needed three platforms, right? Because at a single period of time there was a case that three trains were waiting, right? So we needed three platforms. That is the output which we have to send, okay, means show to the user. So for that, what we can do is, we are not concerned about at what time this particular train is leaving. All we are concerned is at a particular amount of time, means at a certain point of time, how many trains are standing at the station. So for that, what we'll be doing is we'll be sorting this array as well as this array, okay. So after sorting the array in the ascending order, what we'll have is, this is already sorted in the question, so we need not worry about this one. Here, what is the thing is that the first train leaves at, means not actually the first train, means the train will leave at the at 9:10. Okay, a train will leave at 9:10. Another train will leave at 11:20. This train can be any of the train among this one. Okay, but it will leave at 11:20. That means till from 9:10 till 11:20, right? From 9:10 till 11:20, how many trains come? They will have to have in a different platform. For example, this train came at 9 o'clock and left at 9:10. Okay, so one train came at 9 and left at 9:10. So at 9:10 the platform was free. At 9:40 one train came. Second train came at 9:50. Third train came at 11 o'clock. All these three trains, when it came, but one of the train among this one left at 11:20. So till 11:20 we needed three trains, right? Three trains to be occupied in the same place. So we needed three platforms. For knowing how many trains are how many platforms are needed, what we'll do is we'll keep two pointers here. Okay, I will point to this one and J will point to this one. Okay, what we'll do is we'll check if the arrival time is less than the departure time or not. If the arrival time is less than the departure time, that means from 9 o'clock till 9:10 one platform is occupied, right? And after that we'll be comparing 9:10 is smaller or 9:40. If 9:40 is smaller, that means when this train comes at 9:40, at that time this train has left, right? When this train comes at 9:40, this train has left, so the platform is free. So one platform, then we'll compare 11:20 with 9:50. It's 11:20 is more, so the train will leave at 11:20, but till that 9:50 should be occupied, right? The train which comes at 9:50, it should be placed. So for that, what we'll be doing is we'll be increasing one counter. Okay, we'll be keeping a counter max train. So at a particular amount of time, max train will denote what are the maximum number of trains in that platform, and another counter which is platform, that will indicate how many platforms were used at a particular amount of time. Okay. So by doing that, we'll be keeping I and j to point the arrival time and the departure time. Max train will count how many trains are there at current time, and platform will count at the overall, means the whole day, what was the point which was at which the maximum trains were there. That will be stored in platform. So we'll iterate through the whole array, and each time we'll check arrival is less than the departure or not. If arrival is less than departure, like this one, if arrival is less than departure, that means the train is occupied. If the train is occupied, at that time we will change the arrival time to the next arrival time. Then we will check this one with this one, and then if this is less, that means it should be occupied in the second platform, right? Because new train came and no train has departed, so it should be occupied in a new platform. So we'll increase the value of maximum train. Else, if this is smaller and this is bigger, if this is smaller means train has already left, the platform is free, this train can come and occupy the first platform. Okay, by that convention, what we'll do is we'll either increment I value and or j value. Along with that, if its arrival is smaller than the departure, that means the train is already occupied. Maximum train means the number of trains in the current time will increase, if else it will decrease. Okay, that means the train has already left the previous train, the new train has arrived, so the maximum trains means at the current time will decrease by 1, because the previous train was the previous train had left the platform. Okay, after this array gets over, in maximum train and platform, the maximum value will store in platform. Okay, why we are taking maximum is because sometimes at the current time maximum train will be more and the platform will have the previous value. So among this, which is the maximum, we will store in that. Okay, because the maximum will give like at a point how many platforms could be required. Okay, and after this loop gets over, we will have traversed through the whole array, and platform will have the maximum number of trains at a particular amount of time. Then we will see out platform. Okay, so in our case, what's the output? The expected output is 3, because this train is staying till 12 o'clock. In between 9:50 train came and 11 o'clock train also came. So 3 trains were there in the same platform. Our output should be 3. So let's run this program and see what is the output in our case. So here if I write as 9, it would be okay, I guess. So in our case, the output should give us 3, because there are 3 platforms in the question which we have been given, right? So here I'm getting the answer as 3. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.